Getting ready for the iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-order, guys. Getting ready. How you doing? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Time to head to bed. Alright. See you guys tomorrow.
A few more notes left.
Rise and shine, YouTube. Rise and shine. It's 4:57 right now. I'm gonna fire up my computer, have my iPhone ready as well, just in case. Alright guys, it is 5 a.m. exactly. Almost there. Computer's firing up right now. I am excited. This is my first ever pre-order for anything Apple product. I've never pre-ordered anything from Apple before. So really excited. Anyways, I will be trying to do it from here, but also from my computer as well. Just kind of see which one refreshes faster. Oh man. Oh wow. Okay, so now it's saying that I can't connect to the Apple Store. Alright, so it's still saying almost, and my computer doesn't seem to have any internet connection right now. I'm also using my OnePlus's phone right now as well. It's in screen record, making sure I don't miss any of these. Come on, Apple. Alright guys, finally got into it using my iPhone, hence why this is here as a backup, but I'm doing a screen record, so I'm just gonna pop it off right here. But I am gonna scroll down. Oh, just kidding. I'm just gonna click shop. I'm gonna refresh my OnePlus 6T as well. But let's see here, guys. Pre-order now. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, Pacific Blue, of course. Yup. I don't want to activate with any carrier because I want it unlocked. I'm gonna choose the 128 gigabytes. I don't have any smartphone to trade in, and I'm just gonna do a one-time payment, and then as well as I don't want to do Apple Care Plus coverage, guys. I'm sorry, I don't really do those. I don't want to pay extra 10 bucks or so. I don't think it's worth it, unless of course there's something wrong with the iPhone Pro Max or something, like, you know, they have like some sort of a bend gate going on again, kind of like with the iPhone 6 Plus. But yeah, I don't do those kind of stuff though. Anyways, I just want to check the order, add to bag. Okay, I don't want those. MagSafe, okay. Oh, okay, there's a HomePod as well. Okay, I didn't know I can pre-order that. Alright, let's go check out, guys. Okay, so now it's at my email address. Let's go get my wallet. Alright, finally found my wallet. Yeah, that took like literally 30 minutes. I'm so sorry, guys, but it's 5:32 now. So much for pre-order. Also, my Wi-Fi is not working, so like I had to reset it. But anyways, I'm gonna hit checkout now. Okay, enter in my credit card number. Alright, let's do it, guys. iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-order. Here it goes. Here it goes. Alright, and there you have it. Pre-ordered the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Sorry if I'm kind of talking low. I have to keep it, you know, keep the volume down because my girlfriend's still sleeping. Anyways, that is all with this pre-order video, guys. Kind of a weird pre-ordering video that I made. I've never done that before. Let me know down in the comments if you guys pre-ordered the iPhone 12 Pro Max as well, or maybe the phone 12 mini, or if you've already gotten yourself an iPhone 12 Pro or the iPhone 12 It's been a while since I've gotten an iPhone, brand new, since the 6 Plus and all that, so I'm really excited. I hope it actually arrives next Friday the 13th. Wow, what a day for it to arrive, Friday 13th. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Kind of a weird video, so you guys don't have to like it if you don't want to. But if you guys are not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, just so you guys won't miss a video that I upload every single week. Other than that though guys, I'll see you guys in my next video, and definitely gonna do an unboxing video of this iPhone 12 Pro Max once it arrives and all that stuff. So catch you later. Peace.